Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to fix a frozen device. Now this device is not actually frozen. This is a S26 Ultra as you can see here. And in cases where the device becomes frozen or unresponsive, this is what you're going to do. So as you can see here guys, this is the home screen. And in order to fix the problem where your device becomes frozen, meaning it's not taking any form of touch input, it's become totally unresponsive and you're unable to use the device, you're going to go ahead guys, you're going to find your power button and your volume down button. Remember, it's not happening to this, I'm simply demonstrating. Then you're going to press and hold power and volume down. You're going to press and hold even if you see the menu or you see nothing. Do not do anything. All right, keep holding both. So as you can see here, and of course after about 60 seconds you can let go. All right, if for example you hold long enough, you'll see the Samsung logo. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. All right, so as soon as you see the Samsung logo, you can let go and allow it to reboot. All right, if not and it doesn't start back up on its own, you can let go. I know it's off because if I touch the screen or the volume buttons, nothing happens. So to restart the device, press the power button and you'll press and hold for about maybe about 15 seconds. There you go. As soon as you see the Samsung, you can let go. So in older devices, when you hold and press the power and the volume down, it would restart to that button and you let go. But on these newer devices, such as the S26 Ultra, sometimes it will power off totally. So simply, if it powers down to a black screen, simply press for the 15 to start back up. And there you go, guys. And of course that should fix your problem in terms of the device. Now it's a simple thing to start up your device. The device will become fully functional again. You'll have to enter the password as a security measure. There you go. Things are loading and there we go. We're good again and everything is working as it should. And of course your device should be back up and you should get should be responsive again. All right, so I do hope that was useful and see you in the next one. Bye.